Hello, our users. In this video, I want to show you how to compute the table 1 of a data set and save it to a Word document. So in data analysis, usually we need to generate like univariate statistics for all the variables in the data set. Hopefully for the continuous variables, we will generate means and standard deviations. And for categorical variables, we want to generate frequency tables, frequencies and percentages. And here I want to show you how to do that. We need 3 packages: table 1, flex table, and office R. Okay. I assume you already installed these 3 packages. They're very straightforward to install. Just use install.packages and double quotes with the package name. So let me first load these 3 packages here. I set a random C. Let's create a synthetic data set. So N is 200, and that is the data frame with age, BMI, SBP, sex, treat, and smoke. So here we have age, BMI, SBP as continuous, and sex, treat, and smoke as categorical. So you must make sure they are of the same type. By default, table 1 will calculate means and standard deviations for numerical variables. If you want frequencies and percentages, you have to make that variable as a factor. Okay. And if you want to label the variables, you can use a label, say that at age, you label it as age in years. Similarly for BMI and SBP, sex, and smoke. Okay. And also, I want to show you not just the descriptive statistic. If you want to do this by group, usually, for example, in a clinical trial data set, you have treatment versus placebo. You want to do descriptive statistics for the whole sample and by group. Then for the groups, you want to do a quick comparison between the 2 groups. For example, at the baseline, you want to make sure the 2 groups are similar. Okay. So here I wrote a p-value function to create a p-value column. You can take a closer look at these codes. But what this does is it's gonna create the p-value after performing the t-test for continuous variables, chi-square test for the categorical variable between groups, and it's gonna add 1 column for the p-values. Okay, and then after that we can use the table 1 function. And with the p-value added there. So you can see the syntax is look like this. So table 1 is assigned as the object from table 1. Then you got this tilde. The tilde sign is very important. Okay, tilde age plus BMI plus SBP plus sex plus smoke. Then vertical bar condition on treat. This is the by group. Okay. And the data equal to that. Then you have actual.col equal to the list of the p-values, and you have this p-value column you generated before. Okay. And now it's created, and then we want to export it to a Word document. So what you can do is you can use a flex table to convert this table 1 into FT. And then you do autofit, and then you do the red doc function and put that the body add flex table, the doc and FT, and then print doc target to this destination. Okay. So this is the table is created and saved in its directory. I open it up, you can see it look like this. It has the controls and treatment and overall. So by group and also overall. So age is mean and standard deviation, and also the median, mini, max, and you got the p-value here, right? And if for categorical variable, for example, sex, female versus male, you get frequencies and the percentage by group and as a whole, and you got a p-value from chi-square test. Okay, so this is a quick tutorial showing you how to use the table 1 to create the univariate statistics as a whole sample or by groups with a column of p-value attached. And thanks for watching.